What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, and we are here with an update from Satoshi, y'all. Take a look at Satoshi's bio section on Twitter. We got location situation room. So if y'all don't know, this is an area inside of the White House where the president would go to discuss serious situations whenever there's some type of emergency or something like that occurs. But basically, Satoshi telling us that Shibarium is on the way, y'all. We know that when Satoshi updates these things, that it means something every single time. Remember once yesterday we read this, it said basically tending to the pine needles of life while preparing to deliver Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow, something like that. Don't quote me on it, but it was similar. Now, if we take a look at this article here, also, we got Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kasuma recently sent a cryptic update, and this was on Telegram, saying, "Keep popcorn on the ready." The message has sparked speculation among the Shiba Inu community that the launch of Shibarium could be taking place soon. So as reported by the chief architect of Shiba Inu, also recently issued another mysterious statement regarding the impending release of Shibarium, mentioning a heart-shaped box. His Twitter status message, the speculation about the launch date being on Valentine's Day has added more thrill to the launch, and the community eagerly anticipates seeing what Kasuma and his team has prepared for them. As the launch date approaches, the Shiba Inu community is waiting for further announcements from development squad. So as reported by you today, the Shiba Inu developers recently gave a sneak peek of Shibarium, its layer 2 network that aims to address the issues of scalability, speed, and cost. So let's take a look real quick at the prices. We can see overall market is up 3.5%. Remember, I told y'all the market is going to sneak to that $1.5 trillion market cap level. It's going to happen under everybody's noses while people are still unsure if right now is a good time to be in crypto. Right now, we got the market sitting at 1.08 trillion. This is the highest we've seen it in recent times. The highest we've been seeing it go up to is about that 1.06 level. So to see this is, a really good sign. We got Bitcoin up 3.2%, sitting at 23,765. Ethereum at 1644, up 4.75% on the day. XRP up 1.5%. At 41. We got BNB at 317, y'all. So how many of y'all been paying attention to the BNB calls, man? Shout out to the BNB warriors, holding very, very strong. If you had the opportunity to grab BNB at 265, 260, 270, congratulations, man. Remember, none of this is financial advice. We just sharing the information that is, proven to be helpful over the time. So let's see, Doge at 9 cents. Finally, we got Doge breaking back over that 8 cent level. Cardano 39 cents, up 3.7% for the day. Matic at $1.17, 2.5% up on the day. We got Sol at 26.17, sitting at 9.49% in the green for today. Dot at 661. Litecoin at $95, y'all, sitting up 7% on the day. So Litecoin really moving. Avalanche also at $20.99, up 1.8% for the day, passing Shiba Inu to take that 14th place by market cap. And then we got Shiba Inu here at number 14, sitting at that 1207 level, up 2.4% on the day. So finally giving us back the 12 levels here. It's going to sneak to the 15s, 18s, 21s. It's going to happen quickly, y'all. Just be prepared. That's why I made that video yesterday. Don't wait until this happens. Now you see what I mean by, don't just sit back and wait. Now we got, a lot of speculation around Shibarium. A lot of people wondering, what will Shibarium actually do for the price? Now, if you ask me, I think it's going to be one of those possible buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. So if we get a release date right now, already we're going to see, like, let's take a look at Bone. We're going to see Bone, pushing up already because we're getting closer and closer. So Bone up 4% on the day at $1.37. But if we get the team, let's say two scenarios could happen. The team never actually gives us an official date. February 14th rolls around, Shibarium releases. That could send the price, moving in a positive direction on that news. But let's say if we get, by tomorrow, the team releases a statement saying Shibarium will be released February 14th. Then we will see the price move up, and then leading up to February 14th, it might shoot up a little bit more, and then people will begin to sell off and take some profits. So keep that in mind. We got Bone volume at $4.3 million, up 19% on a day. Let's check out Shiba Inu's volume. Shiba Inu volume at $224.6 million, down 30% right now. So let's take a look at a few indicators and see what it's telling us. So we're gonna grab our Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD. Okay, so this is looking okay, interesting right now. So MACD is showing that it's, you know, pretty much primed to want to take off again. Let's roll that up a little bit so y'all can see that. Okay, so the MACD is showing that it's primed to want to take off again. Notice how the MACD is you know, laying right on the signal line, telling us it's a chance for it to take off. But if we look at RSI, the RSI is at a 70 right now, so that tells us that it is technically overbought at this moment. So we could see the price pull back because of that. But then if we take a look at our Bollinger Bands, we got the price trading above the mid Bollinger Band, which is a bullish sign. When we see it like this, you know, it's holding this trend line here, but we know that with it being overbought, it could potentially start to taper off and come use this middle Bollinger Band as a support at the 1110, 1113 level. So if it pulled back to that level, I wouldn't be too worried. If it starts to drop below there, then I would be looking at this 908 level, which would, you know, be a little unfavorable. But for the most part, you know, I think, you know, things are gearing up to give us that breakout. So, you know, obviously the indicators aren't all lining up perfectly the way we would like them to, because we got one indicator saying, you know, right now might be a good time to, you know, basically be on the table. And we got some indicators saying that, you know, the price is overbought, price could potentially pull back. But this is what happens also when the price starts to just break out and it's not listening to the indicators, because so much speculation is entering the market that it moves the price up. So I'm bullish right now. Hopefully y'all are still diamond hand. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Do what's best for you. And that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we are out.